The services of Ministry of Energy and Infrastructure are distinguished by their ability to meet the needs of users in simple steps, including request annual license to approve specialized companies, inspection and maintenance of life-saving and firefighting equipment. You can access this service through the smart application MOEI or by visiting Ministry's website. Log in using your username or using your UAE pass to get more features. Choose Services directory from the homepage, then Maritime Transport and choose Pros Services to reach the required service and press Start button. Fill the information in the form. Upload needed documents, then press on Submit to complete the service. To avoid any delay, please make sure that your data entered in the online form is correct and accurate. After the Ministry approves the application, you will automatically receive an email notification in order to pay the fees through the electronic service. You can also view and download all your reports, certificates and receipts from the end user dashboard.